Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEXO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on this one. So certainly some updates need to be made. I did this analysis a couple of weeks ago when the price was a whole lot lower than where it is now. So nice to see this one just continuing to trend upwards. But one of the newest areas of support after today, and what I would call the ideal level, when we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 750. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 750, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 750, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Well, in all actuality, I'm not even going to talk about levels of resistance because they don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what this chart has been doing for the past few weeks, and that is this right here. You look at where the lows have been, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And my point is this: as long as the price continues to build those higher stair steps over time, then given enough time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So don't really worry about breaking levels of resistance. Just keep doing what the chart's been doing, build higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. But definitely a great mover, and we'll see how this one continues to play out next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.